Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see basics of percentage. Definition: percentage means per 100. Means whenever we say something like our marks, our results, our profit, anything, discounts, we'll say in percentages usually. What does a percentage mean? Per cent. Per cent. Cent means 100. Per 100 is called percentage. It is denoted by this symbol. This is percentage symbol. Okay. What does a percent means? Per 100, right? You know cent means 100. So basically percent means per 100. If I say 20% means 20 per 100. 20 per 100. So directly we will denote as 20%. If you remove percent, actually it becomes 20 by 100. If it is 10 by 100 means we can represent it as 10% because by 100 means per 100. So it can be denoted as 10%. 10% means per cent. 10 per 100. So 10 per 100. So it is denoted as 10%. 100% means 100 per 100. So 100%. 100 out of 100. Here are some examples. 25% means 25 out of 100. 60% means 60 out of 100. 100% means complete quantity means 100 out of 100. 100 per 100 means full quantity. Means it is full out of full means there are 100 parts, we are taking 100 parts. So 100 out of 100. If you say 100% your marks means you are getting total 100 marks, you are getting also 100 marks. So 100 out of 100 complete quantity, you are getting complete marks. The maximum marks is 100 and you are getting 100 marks, you are getting complete marks, right? Complete marks like that. If it is 100 by 100 means it is complete quantity. 25% 25 by 100. 50% 50 by 100. 75% 75 by 100. 100% 100 by 100. 100 divided by 100, which is actually 100 ones are 100 ones are, which gives 1. Like that. Here are some real world applications. Like whenever we say marks, we'll use percent discounts, 10% discount, 30% discount. What does it mean? Means they are giving 30 rupees discount per 100 rupees. That's why it's called a 30% discount. 15% discount means they are giving 15 rupees per 100 rupees. If you buy 100 rupees, 15 rupees they will give discount. So how much you have to pay? You have to pay 100 minus 15, which gives us 85. What if called 40% discount means they are giving 40 rupees discount for per 100 rupees. Means you have to pay 100 minus 40, which is 60. Like that. Profit and loss, you might have heard in real life like I got a 10% profit, I am in 50% loss, like that. Basically interest also 2% rate, 3% rate interest, like that. Population, India's population is 30% of China's population, like that also we can represent. In statistics also we'll use, in sports, in examination, like that. And here are some important points. Percent means out of 100, as I told. Percent has no unit, means 100% has, means if you represent percent it is no unit. No unit in the sense, suppose assume if I take a distance, distance has unit, which is that meter, centimeter or kilometer, anything, these are called units. If I take weight, if anyone asks your weight, what you will told? In kgs, right? 50 kg, 30 kg, 80 kg, like that. This kg, this is called unit of weight. If I take some other example like speed is also having unit, meter per second. I am walking 10 meter per second, like that. So basically percentage is unitless, means it has no unit. There is no unit like kg, centimeter, meter, meter per second, nothing. Okay. 100% means the whole quantity, means 100 out of 100. More than 100% is also possible, means if anyone tells 120% means they are telling indirectly 120 out of 100. And what does 35% mean? 35% means 35 out of 100. 80% means in fraction 80 by 100. 80%. 80%. Write 100% as a fraction. 100%. 100 ones are 100 ones, which gives us 1 by 1 or 100 by 100. Right? Which symbol is used? As we discussed, this is the symbol. Name any three real applications of percentages, marks, as I mentioned, like interest, population. So these are some homework questions. Please try to solve. Just I gave a brief introduction about percentages. In next video, we'll see some conversions and to decimal to fractions. Okay. Till then, thank you. We'll see in next video.